how to create digital business cards in Canva. Here's a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your contact information easily and efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. Firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, here we have the home page. So here we have other options. Here we have Canva, design spotlight. We have here various options like visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. You can choose the one you want. For visual documents, we have visual site, docs, presentations, whiteboards, PDF, editor, graphs and charts. About photos and videos, we have video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collages, background remover. About print, we have business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. Marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generator. Browse Canva templates, choose from thousands of free ready-to-use templates. Then we have Magic Studio, all the power of place. Then we have here businesses. Firstly, we have Canva Enterprise, empower your organizations with an all-in-one workplace solution. Then we have Canva Teams, transform teamwork, grow your print, and simply simplify workflows. Then we have Contact Sales, talk to sales about how Canva can help your businesses. Business solutions, here we have marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchises, and other business solutions. You can just click over here and get more information. Then we have use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded templates, productivity and workflows. Then we have here resources, business resources, case studies, features, integration and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. Finally, we have education. As you can see, we have teachers and schools create and collaborate visually in the classroom, students, teacher resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education, become an education creator, create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by sharing. So this is all about this information. We have here others, you can just click over plans and pricing. We have here also learn to learn other information. So then we have here what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional design. So before that, here is how to sign up. Firstly, all you have to do is click over here, sign up, and you can continue with Google, use also Facebook or email. So here you can just write your email and continue, then you sign up. If you have an account, all you have to do is click over login and find your account and start it. Then we have start designing. As you can see here, we have various things like docs, posters, resumes, logos, whiteboards, presentations, social videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editor, and we have here a perfect fit for everyone. Canva free for one person for designing or working on anything. We have here Canva Pro for one person but for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. Then we have for your team Canva Teams for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. All you have to do is click over here and start free teams trial. Also start free pro trial and start get Canva free. Then here we have trusted by well-known companies. As you can see, we have Reddit, Danone, HubSpot, Sony Music, and a famous company. Then we have the create with AA. Refine the way you create with Magic Studio, our site of AI-powered tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edits. Then we have here design with others, invite friends and family to design with you, or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaborations features lets you comment and work in real team presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or that birthday party planning. Then we have here template for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. As you can see, we have various things like open house, marketing review, capsule collections, our sustainability commitment. We have all new plus project delivery checklist, onboarding guide for new employees, performance report, and over plan with real estate company, project scope, and the various things. Then we have the plan that gets down to business, empower everyone to design together with Canva teams. Firstly, we have airport efficiency, leverage AI to create a brand copy, templates and video editing, bring your brand in-house, serve brand kits and templates for your team to design with. We have also beautiful approval flows, easily control individual permissions assigned for your team to design with. Then we have beautiful approval flows, easily control individual permissions, assign tasks, and share your work.
Editor
So this
for
is for
college, background remover,
the plan
print we
that
have
gets
business
down
cards,
to businesses.
social media, websites,
We are
stickers,
full of
yard
surprises.
signs,
Here are some
QR
of
code
our
generator.
best
About businesses, we
traits
have Canva
you might
Enterprise,
not know
Canva
about.
Teams,
Firstly, we
contact
have
sales. You can click over the one you want.
we've
As you
got
can see
an
here, we have
apps
business
marketplace, we've
solutions,
got an disco
marketing, creative,
app, business love ads for
agencies,
make
sales,
presenting easy,
communications,
and
real
other
estate, small and medium businesses,
other things like
startups,
classrooms. We have
franchises,
committed
and all
to
business solutions. You can click over here
sustainability. You
and
can
you can
just click over the one you want
know more
and get
information
started.
about
So
business
let's give you some
solutions.
steps
Then we
to
have use
create
case,
a digital
content
business card.
creation, visual
Firstly, we have
communication,
step
brand
one:
management,
choose a
team
platform or app.
collaboration, asset
Select
management,
a
brainstorms
platform
and
or
workshop,
application. There are several
branded
apps
team
and platforms
plates, then
available for creating
productivity and
digital business
workflows.
cards,
Then
such
we have
as Canva,
resources.
where
We have business
Adobe Spark,
resources, case
Vistaprint,
studies,
and
features,
dedicated apps like
integration and apps,
HighFlow, Camcare,
security,
or HighStock. Step 2, we
enterprise,
have sign up or
onboarding
log in, create
services.
an account or
Then we
log
have
in as we did
education,
before using
integrations,
if you
case
are
studies,
using an
higher
application,
education,
download it
then
from your
become
app store
an
and create an
education
account
creator. We
or
have
log
create and
in if you
publish your
already
own
have one.
resources on
Step 2, we
Canva
have set a
and earn by
template.
sharing.
Firstly, we have browse
And here we
templates.
have others.
Most platforms
So if you
offer
want
a
to sign up, all you
variety
have
of
to do is click
templates.
over
Choose
sign
a
up
template that
and
fits your
start with
brand
Google.
or personal
Continue with
style.
Google,
Then
continue
we
with
have set a
Facebook,
template.
with
Click
email.
on the
So
template to start
all you have to do
customizing
is
it.
click over here
Step
and
4, we
write your
have
email,
customizing your
then
visual
you
business
confirm
card.
your email
Firstly, we have
and you
add your
sign up.
logo,
If you want to
upload
have
your
an account,
company
all you have to
logo.
do is
Most
click over
platforms will have
log
an
in
option
and
to add an image or
find your
logo.
account.
Then you have enter your
Here we
information,
have all
include your
you
name,
designed
job,
today.
title,
Canva makes
company
it
name,
easy to
phone
create
number,
and
email
share
address,
professional designs.
website, and
So
any
start
other
designing.
relevant
Here you have a lot
information.
of
Then you have
various
customize the
designs.
design,
You have posters,
change
resumes,
colors,
and
fonts,
logos. So
and
you have
layout to
a lot of
match your
features.
brand. Most platforms allow
Docs,
you to drag
whiteboards,
and drop
presentations.
elements
Then
to
we have
create a
also other
design that you
things
like. Then we
like
have add social media
social,
links, include
videos,
icons and
websites,
links to your
Instagram
social media
posts,
profiles to make
brochures,
it easy
photo
for
editors,
people to connect with you online. Step
and
5, we have set
also we
and
have
export.
here
Firstly, we have
a
review your
perfect
card.
fit for everyone.
Before
So we
finalizing
have
with your
firstly
digital
for
business
one
card to
person
make sure
Canva free for
everything
designing or
looks good,
working in it
then
on
save your
anything.
card, save your design.
Then
Most
you can
platforms
just
will
click
save
over
your
get
card
Canva
as your
free as you can
account
see.
for future edits. Then we have
So
export your card,
second
export your
one we have
digital business
Canva
cards
Pro for
as a
growing your
PNG,
brand or
PDF
of
file. Some apps
passion
also allow
project
you
with
to share
premium
your card
features.
via
You can just
QR
click
code.
over start free
Then
pro
we have step
trial.
6,
Then we have
share
for
your
your team
digital
Canva
business
teams for teams
card
to create
via
together
using
with
email.
premium
Attach your digital
workplace
business
tools
card
and
to your
workflows.
email
So you
signature
can just click over
so that
start free
every email you
teams
send
trial.
includes your contact
So here we
information
have
and
Create with
complete social
EA,
media.
where you find the
Share your
way you
digital
create
business card
with
on
Magic
your social
Stereo,
media profiles or
our
send it
search
directly to your
of EA
contacts
Power
via QR code.
tools
If
that
your
generate
platform
copy
provides a
in your
QR code,
brand
you
voice with
can
Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic. Then we have
create it
Design
for
with
physical
others,
material or
invite
display it
friends
digitally
and
for
family
others
to
to start
design with
save
you
your
or
contact
set your whole
information.
team
By following
up
these
to
steps,
work
you can
together.
create
Our
a professional
collaborations
and a-catching
features
digital
let you
businesses
comment and work
card
in
that
real
you can
time on
usually
presentations,
easily
whiteboards,
share with
docs,
others in a
videos,
variety of
or
ways.
that birthday thing.
So this is it for this video, guys.
Customize
I
an
hope it has
office
been useful and
templates or
helpful,
design
and see you
something
again in the
more
next video.
personal